Hello everyone, my name is Jared. Welcome to my healthy food quest. Today I'm going to be making chicken fajitas. Now I'm not in my kitchen, I'm actually in my friend's kitchen. So let's get started. What I have here is some already cleaned and washed chicken thighs. And I like to put them in a Ziploc bag because we're going to create the marinade. So for the marinade, I need some soy sauce, cumin. I have this roasted garlic herb seasoning. I'm going to use some garlic and some lime juice. First, let's chop up our garlic. Need about, we're going to go with 5 cloves here. Now, garlic is very good for you, so I'm going to eat a clove. Here goes nothing. Whew. Really spicy. It's rough. Whew. Ooh, that garlic is burning going now. Okay. So I like to dig my fingers in like this and squeeze. Make sure you get all the juice out. Really massage that marinade in. Normally I would do this the night before and let it marinate in the fridge for at least 12 hours, 24 hours. But we're making a quick one right now. So I'm going to clean up my area and I'm going to prep the veggies. Nice and sharp. Green, got our yellow. Pretty much only need a half. And the tip. Beautiful. We got our peppers done. Our veggies are ready for the chicken fajita. I'm gonna coat the pan. Oh, that rosemary oil smells amazing. Calls for chicken dance. And shout out to Taryn Bay for the beats and the film. He does it all. He has a passion, I have a passion. We're merging our passions. This is what we do. One man helping another man. That's it. Our chicken is done. We're gonna take it off the pan. And we're gonna let it rest. This is called fond, F-O-N-D. And this means base, so this is the base of cooking. We're going to absorb all of this flavor right now. So we throw our peppers in. And I turn the heat down just a little bit. And don't burn it. And our onion. So this is the way I like to use my spatula. So when we get in there. The fire up. I'm gonna turn the fire back up to high. Smells yummy. Yep. See how it's filling up all that flavor. You can scrape that in. I don't want to waste that. Another technique I like to do is I like to push the veggies out like that, and then I shake the pan to get everything centered again. And you're constantly seeing me do that a lot. Okay, so from here we turn off our flame. And we can move our pan to the side. Let that rest. Our chicken is rested. Our peppers and onions are good. Now let's flame our tortillas a little bit. Almost done. And this looks good here. Okay. Turn off our flame. Move this just a little closer. Okay guys, so now we're gonna slice our chicken. I'm gonna slice two different ways. I'm gonna do strips and cubes. So the reason why you don't slice it right after taking out the pan, because all the juices will spill everywhere. And then we're gonna cube this one. So the way you cube it is you go long here. 2, 3, I'll say 4, then you turn it, and then you make your cubes. 1, 2, 3. 4, 5, 6, 7. So here we go. We have a cube and we have a slice. Let's say you made a guacamole. You can spread the guacamole there. Put the onions and peppers, the chicken. There's so many different ways you can make this. You can put hummus on there. You can do a black bean hummus. You can make a tzatziki sauce. You can make a pesto sauce. The options are endless. Spread that out. Put out. So to slice it, let's go down. 1, 2, 3, 4. That one's done. Move it under there. And put that on the top. And then need some citrus on there. So just cut a lime. Juice. Both. So you definitely get that charred flavor from the chicken. The onions are caramelized with the peppers. It absorbs the flavor from the chicken. Got the fresh citrus in the sliced avocados. Let me know if you guys like this recipe. Thank you for watching. Please hit the subscribe button. Make sure you like and comment, and I'll see you guys soon.